All right, hello, welcome to my living room. I wanted to pop on here really quickly to show you a VS Code extension that we've been working on in regards to sprites. Now, if you haven't heard, sprites are these new stateful sandbox environments that are great for, running all sorts of arbitrary code, but primarily they're used for running AI generated code. In fact, they come with Claude code pre-installed, so all you have to do is jump into a console, run Claude, get to vibing. Now, understandably, some people still like to, look at the code. So we made this VS Code extension that I want to show you. Let's jump in. All right, so this is what the extension looks like in VS Code. We'll go ahead and install this. And then the first thing we want to do is add an API key. So let's go to our account on sprites.dev. I'm going to go to manage account. I'm going to click on my org. And I'm going to create a new token. And yes, I will be deleting this token by the time this video comes out. Let's go in here and we're just going to run set API token. Paste that in and we're good to go. So now let's create our first sprite. So I'm going to run, sprites, create sprite. How many times am I going to say sprite? I feel like this is going to turn into a drinking game. Let's go. I'm just going to call it a to-do list. And we're going to make like the world's most basic app ever. Now I could just click open sprite here, but just to show you the command, we can run sprites open sprite. And then I'm going to select to-do list. And I'm just going to hit enter. And we are good to go. And so if I open up our project explorer, we'll see this is what's in our sprite. I'm going to jump into a terminal, basically jump directly into this sprite and tell Claude to, build me like a simple to-do app. So to do that, I'm going to run open terminal, sprites open terminal, and I'm going to select to-do list app, or, what did I call this sprite? To-do list, whatever. And then I'm going to run Claude. Now this is the first time I'm running Claude in this sprite, so I'm just going to do the authentication dance really quickly. Awesome, we're in. So I'm actually now telling it to register the server as a Sprite service. So then in another terminal, I'm going to run sprite URL update auth public and then the name of my sprite, which in this case is to-do list. Wonderful. And there we have it. Let's see if it works. Feed Arlo. That's my dog. Grocery shopping. Shopping. Boop. And we can delete them. Wonderful. Wow. Revolutionary. And then, of course, because this is a VS Code extension, we can then jump in directly to our app, which is, I guess it's just an HTML file. Very simple. And we can change anything we like. Let's just call this Annie's tasks. And if we refresh, boom, Annie's tasks. So that's it, the VS Code extension for sprites. And if you'd like to learn more about these stateful sandbox environments, go to sprites.dev. And I'm going to go make dinner. Bye.